Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can set up payment gateway in your Hostinger. So for online stores created with Hostinger Website Builder, there is a range of online payment gateways and methods to help you accept payments from your customers. So the availability of these options depends on the following factors. The first one is your store's country and currency, and then your customer's location. Now, to find your payment gateway, go to the online store section and then click on Manage Store at the bottom left. You'll be directly go to your store management area. So we have to wait for a few seconds and then go to the payments right here on the left sidebar. And then as you can see, we have three main online payment providers in the builder. The first one is the Local Go. So the Local Go is a popular payment gateway in Latin America countries. We have also PayPal. So PayPal is a well-known online payment gateway that's widely used for online transactions and accepted by many merchants and websites. Lastly is the Stripe. So Stripe is a convenient and trustworthy online payment provider. The default payment and method available with Stripe is credit and debit cards, but it also allows enabling additional payment methods such as the Apple Pay, Google Wallet, Klarna, etc. So that's are available depending on the store's country and currency. Now, if you want a manual payment, as you can see here, accept payments made outside your online store with methods such as cash on delivery, COD, money orders, and bank transfers. You'll need to approve all orders made with manual payments individually by updating the payment status on the orders page. Right, so if you want to basically connect your payment gateway, just click on connect button. For example, here on PayPal, and then here you will now go to the login page. So here, as you can see, connect a PayPal account to start accepting payments on Hostinger International Limited. So enter the email and your location and complete all the details here. So same procedure with another payment gateway or payment method like the Stripe, for example. So click on connect. So same right here. You just have to be make sure that all of the details are correct. So hosting your website builder partners with Stripe for secure payments. So get started with Stripe. Need to enter your email and follow the on-screen instructions to be able to connect your account on Stripe and also on PayPal or DeCalGo. So that's how you basically connect or set up your payment gateway on Hostinger. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.